What if I told you that every night while you're asleep, your body is doing some of the most important work of your life? You're not just resting. Your brain is cleaning itself. Your body is repairing damage. Your memories are being rewritten. And something strange happens. You become temporarily paralyzed. So, what really happens inside your body when you sleep? Let's find out. Sleep isn't just about feeling rested. It's actually essential for survival, just like food and water. Without sleep, your brain stops working properly. Your immune system weakens. Your emotions become unstable. Scientists have even found that long-term sleep deprivation can seriously damage your health. But here's the interesting part. Sleep is not a single state. It's a cycle. Every night, your body goes through multiple sleep cycles, each lasting about 90 minutes. These cycles are made up of two main types, non-REM sleep and REM sleep, rapid eye movement. Each stage has a different purpose, and together, they keep your body and brain functioning properly. Let's break them down. Stage 1, light sleep. This is the moment you start drifting off. Your heartbeat slows, your muscles relax, and your brain activity begins to change. Sometimes you feel like you're falling. That sudden jerk? That's called a hypnic jerk. Stage 2, deeper relaxation. Now your body temperature drops and your brain waves slow down. This stage makes up about 50% of your total sleep. Your body is preparing for deep sleep. Stage 3, deep sleep. The most important stage. This is where the real magic happens. Your body repairs tissues, muscles grow and recover, your immune system strengthens, and something incredible happens in your brain. It begins a cleaning process. During deep sleep, your brain activates something called the glymphatic system. Think of it like a cleaning crew. It removes waste and toxins that build up during the day. One of these toxins is linked to diseases like Alzheimer's. So when you don't sleep enough, your brain literally doesn't get cleaned properly. Now comes the strangest stage, REM sleep. This is when you dream, your brain becomes highly active, your eyes move rapidly. But here's the weird part. Your body becomes almost completely paralyzed. Why? To stop you from acting out your dreams. During REM sleep, memories are processed, emotions are regulated, and creativity increases. This is why sleep helps you solve problems and learn faster. While you sleep, your brain is organizing information. It decides what to keep, what to delete. Important memories get strengthened, unnecessary details get removed. It's like your brain is editing your life story every night. That's why after a good night's sleep, you think more clearly, you remember better, and you feel more focused. If you don't get enough sleep, your reaction time slows, your mood becomes unstable, and your risk of diseases increases. Long-term sleep loss is linked to heart disease, obesity, and depression. Sleep is not optional, it's critical. So tonight, when you fall asleep, remember, your body isn't shutting down. It's working harder than ever. Healing, cleaning, rebuilding. Sleep isn't wasted time, it's survival. If you learned something new, don't forget to like and subscribe for more science videos.